Hey baby, we're having Mexican tonight. These are the chicken strips. Beef strips. With that lettuce underneath. Black beans and corn are ready. Okay, hold on. Okay, baby, now we have the black beans and the corn on here. Now let's finish it up. Okay. First, we're going to get some sour cream. Oh, shit. Guacamole. Fresh, authentic salsa. Alright. Get us some cheese going. Woo! Love it. Okay, now we need a knife and a fork, and baby, dinner is served. Mexican salad made by your boo-boo. I just can't wait for you to get home next week so you can eat it.